Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well in your life. Today we are going to see how to download R and R Studio in Windows. Please follow the step till end, and before continuing the video, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notifications. R in the Google. Here you got the first link. Click on it. Here on the top you will see download R. Click on it. Now the downloads get started. See here. So my download got completed. Uh, in downloads, here my download. Click on it. So click on OK. Click on next. Here also click on the next option. Next, and keep it as no, and click on next. Make it as desktop shortcut. Checkbox on it. Next, and here's the installing started. Now my RN install. See here on the desktop. Now want to download RStudio. Back to the Chrome. Write RStudio. Here click on the first link. Scroll down the screen, and here you will see the option download free desktop IDE and user free. Click on downloads. Here's download RStudio for Windows. Click on it. Now see your download got started. It is already downloaded my PC. So here's the downloaded file. Double click on it. Okay, click on next. Click on install. Now installing started. And now my studio got installed. Click on search box and type R Studio and open it. So here R Studio got open. Firstly, clear this console. Go to the edit and clear console option. Now type anything like print statement. I will type and talk stack. I will write in this. Okay. Now press the enter and say that your talk stack got printed. So this is the way how you download the RStudio. So guys, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe. Thank you.